So hi Priyadashi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
So do you believe in love at first sight?
I think I do. Yeah.
I used to not believe unless and I saw you in Hello.
Yeah. Right.
That was a quick
ఇలా
one.
ఎంతమందికి చెప్పా?
Not many.
Not
Heart
many.
నుంచి రావాలి.
Oh, so you fallen in love at first sight? How many times?
Not as much as I felt for you.
Oh wow.
That
Okay.
was great. But
I'm going to watch all your interviews now and see how many people you've told this to. How many people you said this also to. I'm going to watch.
no, not me being a gentleman. I generally don't flirt. Yeah.
Okay, good. But thanks.
Like the way I saw you in Hello, you were so. It's like you just came out of college. that young innocent face, and as well as the same amount of matureness you portrayed on screens. That was fabulous.
Hey, thank you so much. It was all Vikram Kumar sir, so
True.
yeah.
And unlike any other actors, you're from film background. Your family is from film background.
Yeah.
But yet you didn't start it like auditions. You went into movies and you didn't start like that.
Yeah.
You were into art director, production
Yeah.
manager. You did for Krish and all.
Yeah.
And you do know about the movies before you could step onto the screen. I mean, before you could start a camera in front of camera. So how was your first experience when when there was a sound like lights, camera, action?
So that's really scary because before when I was working, obviously behind the camera, there's people don't see it, but there's so much happening. People are running around setting up lights, and cameramans are shouting, "Hurry up!" and so many things are happening. So we have to move so quickly behind the set. But the actor needs to be so poised and calm, because if we start noticing all that, like our tension goes up, and when they say lights, camera, and action, well, everybody will keep quiet, but we've already got tensed, so that will show. So that's the biggest difference that I've realized, because as an actor, you only need to get into your character and not anything else that's happening on set. Whereas when you're behind the camera, your awareness is everything that's happening on set. So initially, first few days, I used to start looking around and I was like this. And then Ramya ma'am, Ramakrishna Garu, she was the one who told me, you know what, listen, calm, because, that'll make you a better, more relaxed performer. So yeah.
And did you freak out when in the first shot?
Oh yeah, the freak out was my muscles started twitching because I was so scared, and you can't control that when it's a sudden reaction. Your muscles are just twitching, and Vikram says like, "Ma, you don't have to twitch so much." I'm like, "Sir, it's not. I'm not doing this on purpose. I'm so scared that like my muscles are just spasming." So yeah, that happened.
And yet you managed to get film for
Oh,
your
thank
best
you so
debut,
much.
and that was fabulous.
Thank
And
you.
You deserved it.
Thanks
believe
a
you
lot. That
deserved it.
means so much, because I'm only here because of the love that I've got from everyone, and everybody accepted the performance. And so it means a lot that when people, in fact, more than the award itself, when people come to me and say, "You deserved it," like that's my favorite moment. So thank you.
Wonderful. And you do know industry very well.
Yeah,
You've been behind screens, you have managed all those things, and when you came on screen, is there a moment when you changed, you didn't like a part of it, and you suggested a director or a production department, maybe this would have been better?
It's not something like that, but there are small things, because I work behind the scenes. Because, for example, I'll give you an example from Hello. There's a flight scene where I walk into a flight and Ramya ma'am sees me, and they gave us all boarding passes. And so I was walking, and then I was like, "Wait, listen, this boarding pass is a full boarding pass." So I was like, "Sir, but when we get into the flight, they'll take off and then they'll give it to you." So that's when they realized, "Oh yeah." But I'm only aware of that because I work behind the scenes and I did art. So when I give boarding passes
Presence
to
of
people,
mind, that's
yeah, so it was small things like that. It was never a big suggestion. I don't think I have that experience to give a big suggestion to a director. But yeah.
cool. And it's a quick one. Who is your glassmate? I'm not specifying anything. Either it can be a coffee glass, tea
Yeah,
glass,
I
or any
think
glass.
it'll be so my friend and I, my best friend and I, we have this thing whenever we are either celebrating something or upset about something. We go somewhere, we get one big glass of cold milk and one cookie, one hot warm cookie, and we share it. So his name's Anishashi. He's my dad's associate director, and yeah. So I think I would say he's my glassmate, my milk classmate.
Okay.
I'm allergic to milk and I still have it, but yeah.
So, do you like boys with beard or beardless boys?
Beard.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks.
definitely.
I don't have a pretty good beard.
No,
But yeah.
definitely beard. No doubt.
So talking about the movie, Chitralar, fabulous making. The trailer is like so perfectly packed. Starting part is it teaches a lot about the life than the fun. Fun part is any which is there.
Yeah.
When there's like Sai Dharam Tej, it's fun packed movie. So
Not just in this, Sunil Garu, Venla Kishore Garu. Yeah, so yeah, it's a proper fun film only.
So you're coming to your part of it. You similarly you look similarly in both the movies. As far as my perspective, as far as I've seen, Hello and the Chitralari, you look similar. Is that true?
So the thing is, character-wise, I mean, my face is not going to change, so I'm going to look the same. Character-wise, the only difference I would say between a Lahari and Juno would be she's a little. Juno's seen sadness. Lahari hasn't. That's the main difference between those two characters. Lahari is somebody who's been brought up with so much positivity. Her parents have brought her up with so much love. There are people like that. There are people who haven't seen. There are people obviously that have seen so much sadness in life, but there are people who haven't. I've been actually very lucky. I'm going to touch some wood now. But I've been very lucky that I've had a good, happy life. And she's been somebody like that. So but she's still she's not so out there and modern, but she's not so conservative and traditional. So the character sort of matched that way. In fact, when Kishore sir saw Hello, he saw Hello and said, "This is my Lahari."
Okay.
And he told me this. He's like, the moment I saw Hello, I knew that you were my Lahari. So it was obviously that's why I think even the way that the characters are, the way they look, there's small differences, but overall they're just very sweet, innocent people. And I think that innocence is what you're saying is there in both characters. Yeah.
So how much of Kalyani is the character of you in Chitralahari?
So my character Lahari, I would say I'm a lot like her, to be very honest, because like I said, we both grew up with a lot of positivity around us, but also, so she's a character who's very sweet, innocent and gullible. She cares about the people around her, what they think, and I'm very much like that. If my father doesn't like something that I've done, or he doesn't like the way that I'm looking in something, I take it to heart. So this is that kind of a character. And if they say something, I'll want to listen to them. It's just my nature. I'll want to somehow listen. So that's the kind of character that Larry is. So I would say we're actually very alike.
Habits. And you personally, Kalyani is an introvert or extrovert?
I'd say introvert for sure.
Introvert.
For sure. No doubt.
Why? Were you the introvert from the beginning?
I don't know. I went to boarding school and maybe that sort of made me an introvert. I'm not sure. It's just, to be honest, I prefer spending time with myself than with other people. So that's what an introvert is, right?
So kids from boarding school rebel out and they start freaking out once they are out.
I think I kind of went the opposite direction. I liked just spending time with myself.
Yes.
To be honest, if I'm with other people, I might get bored. If I'm by myself, I'll never get bored.
Oh, that's being you
Yeah.
for years. And talking about Sai Dharam Tej.
Huh.
He's like super fun.
He's
we love him a lot. When he used to come to our office, the entire vibes would change in the office.
Yeah.
Like,
He's actually a very fun person.
yeah, he's fun loving. We play a lot of games with him. He doesn't know the answer of no at all.
Yeah.
So how was he in the sets? Working with him?
I mean, honestly, I think he was a lot of fun to work with. There's moments where you see his prankster side, and then there's also moments where you see one Papam side. It's like something I didn't expect. And the thing that's most amazing about him, and even if you ask Niveda, my co-star, she'll say the same thing. It's that he has one respect for women. He'll say, "Good morning, Andy." Like whether he's having, like, making fun of me or not, it's just, he has that respect somewhere, even if he's a prankster. So it was. I think that was something that was nice about him.
And other people, other legends for my heart,
Huh.
close to my heart, Vennela Kishore Garu and Sunil.
Okay, Sunil Garu is, I mean, I've been a huge fan of him for God knows how long. So I started shivering when I met him. He has one. I don't even know how to describe his power. He's got one charisma. That's what I'll say. And so he was obviously great to work with. We don't have too many combinations, just one or two we have, and those itself were a lot of laughter. Vennela Kishore Garu is just he's non-stop. You can't stop him. His personality is humor. So from the moment he walks into a room until he leaves, you'll only laugh. So yeah.
As far as we have seen, I have seen him. I've met him once. I mean, yeah, maybe once. He's so down to earth.
Yeah.
That's the best part I've seen him.
He's amazing. He's constantly, and he makes an effort to, even though, see, he's constantly working. He's got so many movies happening. In fact, I think once when I asked him, he said the count was ridiculous, and but he makes that effort even if he's there only for one day on set to interact with everybody on set, like laugh with everyone. So he's great. I love him.
So much of things happen in the sets. We want to know one best moment that happened over there.
Best moment, I'll tell you one with Vennela Kishore Garu. So we were shooting in a Bombay Metro, and there's this one scene where he's looking at me and I'm looking at him. I'm looking at him angrily, and the shot is behind his shoulder, so you can see his shoulder. You can't see his face. His face is covered, and I'm standing there looking at him. And he's making the funniest faces, and I'm supposed to sit there looking at him angrily. And yeah, so it was just small things like that happened on set.
How many takes did you take for that?
No. Actually, it wasn't so bad. He was making funny faces, but then I instead of looking right at him, I cheated a little and looked here and there. And then he realized, he's like, oh, so you won't look at me when you act, is it? So yeah, that's what happened.
So and for the matter of songs, yes, such
Oh,
a
yeah.
great work. And which is your favorite song?
Okay, I'm biased, so I'll say Prema Vanilla.
Prema Vanilla.
Yeah. And what's funny is the song is about me and my character, but everyone's like, oh, it's about Vennela Kishore Garu because it's Prema Vanilla. So I'm like, no, it's about me. So yeah.
Should I consider the scene which you explained before this a spoiler alert?
No, it's not. Vennela sir, Kishore sir posted on Twitter also that picture. You know how he wished me? He posted that picture and he wished me for my birthday.
It's
So
super
yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
Talking about Prema Vanilla, that's been stuck in my mind from the moment it got released. It's like, yeah, Prema Vanilla. Like I want to forget the song. It's looping in my head.
That's DSP sir for you.
True. That's true.
Yeah.
How do you find the song?
Like I told you, I'm very biased. I love it because it's about my character, and there's so many. The lyrics are so nice, and like it's about my character, so I love it.
So about the character of Sai Dharam Tej,
Huh.
and it seems like he's the one who graduated and he couldn't find a job and he's looking for a success. Where how is it going to be?
Watch the film. 12th. It's releasing.
12th April. So we would want to listen to it in your words. That would sound better for us.
I mean, honestly, the film is about a guy he's not, see, they're marketing him as a loser, but really, how do you define a loser? To me, he's just somebody who's seen so many failures in life, and he's yet to find his moment of success, which is true for a lot of us. I mean, you don't know when that click happens, but when it happens, it's great. So that's just the character, and whether I'm not going to tell you whether he finds success or not. That's why you watch the movie. But it's about that, basically. And it's about how you can find happiness even in failures because of the people around you. That's the beauty of the film. Yeah.
Exactly. I'm going with the flow, which is the one moment of your life where you were an utter failure and you rebelled out of it, you got it. And that's when I got a success. Is there a moment?
I've told you, like the thing about my life and why it'll be tough for me to play very strong characters is because I've had a very happy life. I mean, I'm sure I'll probably at some point, I hope not, but the life of an actor, they always see failures. They always see success. They see a lot of things. So when that happens to me, I can answer this question. But right now, I mean, I've been very content. I'm somebody who, even if if somebody else sees it as a failure, they'll be like, oh, you failed in this. But I'll be like, no, I didn't. Because in my head, I didn't fail. Something would have happened. I would have got something from it. So in my head, there is no such thing as failure. It's how you look at it.
That is like you've been blessed.
Yeah, I've been very blessed, and but even then, even like I'm saying, no, if something bad happens to me, also, I feel like I'll be like it's for the best. Somewhere in my head, that's what I always think. It's for the best. Until now, that has been the truth. Whatever has happened, even if in that moment I'll be like, oh, why did this happen? Later, I'll realize, thank God it happened. Yeah.
Everything happens for a
Yeah,
reason.
I genuinely believe it. I believe that God is looking over you, watching you, and giving you the best, and you just don't know it.
Did you admire a character and thought that I wish I would be that character? I would have played that character. That would be me.
So many, yeah, so
One
many.
example and the reason behind it.
In which language do you want? Any language? I'll take the most recent one. Alia's character from Gully Boy. I would love to have played that. I am not that character, but I know I do a good job. As in, obviously it's Alia, so she's amazing. But I know that somewhere I'd give it my best. So
Fabulous. And we have Chitulari coming. The movie that is close to us because it's Sai Dharam Tej,
Yeah.
it's Kalyani. Our
Nice.
people around, Tollywood people around us. So one message to all our listeners.
So guys, our film is releasing on the 12th. It's a film that is about the small relationships in life that matter. I'm sure everybody's having exams. I mean, would have just finished exams. This is a great way to spend your summer because it's a light movie. It's fun. It's laughter. There's emotion. There's drama. There's everything in it, and there's me in it. So I hope you guys watch it in the theaters. Please don't encourage piracy.
Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you.
listening to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And no, I forgot a quick question.
Huh.
Who's your best actor? Among
Best
heroes,
actor.
let me be clear.
I-
Best hero?
Best hero. I think I'll have to go for a while. I have no idea. I feel like everybody's doing such different work that it's impossible to choose one, to be very honest.
If I had to ask, if you have a crush in Tollywood,
There's
one
so
actor,
many. So many, like literally.
best among them, yeah.
Best among them is not there. I can literally, this 90% of this industry can walk through that door and I'll be like, huh. So, yeah.
And a quick contrast between Akhil and as well as Sai Dharam Tej.
So Akhil's a very quiet boy. Akhil is very composed, very quiet. He's got his father's class. He's very quiet on set. Saitej is like that, but somewhere there's a naughtiness that suddenly comes out. So yeah, that's what I would say. He's on Papam, but somewhere suddenly one prankster comes out.
Okay, is there a dual personality in Sai Dharam Tej? That's what you're trying to say.
Maybe, I don't know actually. I have no idea, but he's got two sides. I mean, two sides in the sense there's a quiet side and there's a fun side. So yeah.
Yeah, fabulous. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
talking to us.
Thank you.
It's so wonderful. You look so gorgeous.
Hey, thanks. I'm really going to watch your interviews and see how many people you said this to. Wait.